Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saida Shaista Batoon. Welcome to my channel Zero Logic. As I believe that our content present our souls. All the souls in this world are in a continuous process. So as we know that astrology has a lot to do with the human nature. Astrology is a science and astrology is an art. So in today's video, you are again going to walk into my fantasy land where we are going to connect one branch of science with another branch. Yes. So before moving towards today's video topic, I will request all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit turn bell icon so you will get the notification as I will upload my video. Okay, so all who have subscribed to me, welcome to my YouTube family. Okay, I hope we all will grow together. Okay, so moving toward today's video's topic, today I am going to discuss 12 zodiac sign into water cycle or hydrological cycle. So what is the water cycle? We all have familiar with it and we all have the idea what the water cycle is. What an idea about the water cycle? Water cycle is a continuous process which is happening all the time. So I have divided 12 zodiac sign into water cycle. How? First moving towards the first part of the water cycle, that is evaporation. What is evaporation? Evaporation is changes of water into water vapor. The process where the water from rivers and seas goes up, rises up to the sky, and in this way the water changes into water vapor. So which zodiac sign are categories into the evaporation state are Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio. Okay, so why Pisces? Because Pisces are empath and Pisces tries to escape from the reality, try to rise above from delusion. Pisces have created their own path, and Pisces also they want to rise up above the delusion level, and Pisces are empath and Pisces are very passionate. Okay, so moving toward the second sign, Scorpios. Scorpio are creatives. Scorpio always want to go to create something more deeper, and they see the different perspectives of the things, and also they are very passionate. They are the creative soul, they are the deep lover, they are the passionate. Okay, moving toward the third sign, which are Cancer. They are caring, they are nurturing, and they always want to stay away from the vulnerability, and they also want to get familiar themselves in a situation where they are more safe and they are more creative. So all these three signs, they are empath, they are creative, they are passionate, they are caring, they are nurturing. So that's why I have kept them in an evaporation. Okay, so moving toward the next state of water cycle, that is condensation. Condensation is on cooling. The waters form the clouds. We can also call it convections. Okay, the sign which falls in this category are Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Why Gemini falls in this category? First I will start with the Gemini. Why Gemini falls in this category? Because they are quick-wit, they are eccentric, they are information lover, they are analytical, and they loves to change their position. They loves to keep their mood very light like clouds. So I had kept them in the category of condensation or convection. Okay, so the second sign which also falls in this category are Aquarius. Aquarius are also very quick-wit, very analytical, very logical, very informative, and they also they are our scientists, information lover, and they also love to keep their mood very light. They don't take emotions so much on them, and they love to change from one position to another position. I mean, like Gemini and Aquarius, they both cannot stay in one position. That's why I have kept them in the category of condensation like clouds. So they are moving, having emotions, but meanwhile they are doing something purposefully, scientifically, analytical, logical. And third category and the third sign which fall in this category are the Libras. Why Libras are very harmonious. Libras are peace lover. Libra want to make Libra wants to make harmony with themselves and with the environment. Also, Libras are quick wit. Libras are very uh, eccentric. Beauty lover. Libras loves to think out of like Aquarius and Gemini. And Libras are also eccentric, and Libras are the beauty lover, and Libras knows how to create a peaceful environment, and Libras are very considerate. Even three signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra, all of them are very considerate. All of them are thoughtful, all of them are eccentric, quick wit, peace lover, nature lover, and all are the beauty lovers, and all knows how to make themselves, how to keep themselves in a light mood, and how to change their moods, and how to handle their situation. So moving toward the third category or the third part of the water cycle, that is precipitation. Precipitation is release of water from clouds in the form of rain, or either in the form of rain or snow or hail or something heavy heavy rains. So it can be in any form. Big signs which fall in these categories are Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Moving towards the Sagittarius. Why Sagittarius fall in this category? Because Sagittarius, they are truth seeker, they are knowledge lover, they want to roam, and they are sometimes they love to travel, they are adventurous, and they want to seek information. That's why they always be in the form of they always be in the form of traveling, or they always doing the different adventure. Sagittarius are dreamer, reckless, and they want to keeps their option open, and also they sometimes they are very considerate, sometimes they are very reckless, sometimes they want to think freely, sometimes they take the things on narrow perspective, but most of the time they think the things at very broad perspective, or their perspective is very broader. That's why they are in this category. The second sign which lies in this categories are Aries. Why Aries? Aries are leader, Aries are pioneer, Aries are like Spitfire, but Aries are sometimes they are very warm. Like if you feel their love is like a rain, and their nature is also same like a rain. They are temperamental sometimes. Sometimes they are like heavy snow, or sometimes they are like light rain. Someone they are temperamental, it seems like they are this like heavy snow, but sometimes they are calm and cool, then it's like raining. So I have kept the Aries in this category. The third sign which lies in these categories are Leos. Leos are also leaders, passionate, temperamental, very warmth. They know how to beauty lover and nature lover. They know what to do, and they are visionary. They are also visionary. They are optimistic, same like Aries and Sagittarius. They are dramatic. Sometimes they are dramatic. Sometimes they are fairy. Sometimes they are very kind. So sometimes they are very dramatic. But most of the time they are the leaders. If not front side, but from the sideline, they are the leaders. Okay, so moving toward our fourth categories, or the fourth part of the water cycle, that is collection. When the water fall down in the form of rivers, when the water fall down in the form of rain, it goes into the rivers, seas, or into the different water bodies, and it collects there. So here the one cycle ends. So the sign which lies in this category are the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. One more important thing that this water cycle is powered by the sunlight and gravity. Started with the sunlight and ends with the gravity. So, started with the first sign which lies in this category are the Taurus. As we know that Taurus are very stubborn, but they are the nature lover, they are the beauty lover, and they are also the mother earth sign. And Taurus, they are the beauty lover, they are the nature lover. They can sometimes they can stuck in a pattern. Sometimes they miss their opportunities. Like if like you can give the example, like the water is either in the sea or either in the stream or either in the rivers. Water is water. Every time water is water, but its purpose it can be narrow, or it can serve you on a narrow perspective or on the large perspective. Same like these zodiac signs. So with the Taurus, they are very desirable, they are the beauty lover, they are passionate, they are nurturing, but at the same time they can sometimes they stuck into the pattern and they don't want to get rid of it, and they are stubborn. Same like the earth, gravity. So I had kept them in this category. Okay, moving toward the second sign which lies in this category are the Virgo. Are also beauty lover, nature lover, earth lover, and also they are the healer. And also this sign they have their own prestige, and they do the thing in a very proper way, and they always plan ahead. And sometimes they want to disconnect themselves from. Virgo are very dedicated, hardworking, and also beauty lover, nature lover, and they also think ahead, they also plan ahead. That's why they lies in this category. Okay, so third sign which lies in this category are the Capricorn. Capricorn are also very hardworking, they are the leader, they are the pioneer. Capricorns are sometimes they are stubborn like earth, but they are also the earth lover, beauty lover, nature lover. And Capricorn is also Capricorn are visionary, and Capricorn are very dedicated. So all this process continues. All 12 zodiac signs are same important as these four processes are important. All processes are very important to keep us alive. So water cycle plays a vital role in our lives. Same like all the souls in this world, they are equally very important. I hope you have enjoyed the videos. I hope you have enjoyed the video. And I don't know either I have to share or not, but it was very hard for me today to make the video because I was very upset. Two of very closest relative of mine, they had passed away in this last week, and I was continuously crying, and I had a bad pain in my heart, and my soul was aching. But I thought that we have to be strong enough to face the reality. I wish where are they? Allah bless them with the paradise, Ameen. And may Allah bless their souls with the peace, Ameen. And may Allah bless them with Jannah, Ameen. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope we will meet soon. Thank you so much. Bye.